me that say Abidal solicitors na ote omonkano lawyer Peggy on the Katai. So those are time with Abidal solicitors. Before we start the show, lawyer Pacho, you ready? So what update be MIA? The mobile numbers for Abidal solicitors. I mean, it's a TikTok. What numbers now? You better off.
Yeah, back off.
We are not allowed to mention numbers.
It's true.
Into I said, lawyer, mommy, Adrian. It is a one show me what TikTok no. You may allow the same number you can also go online and type in Abidal solicitors. When you all the details from there, they are on Instagram, they are on Facebook, they are on TikTok, they are on all social medias. Type in Abidal solicitors and you get all the details from there. My beautiful lawyer, who updates are from my sir.
Yo, MD, and I'm not paid the updates. I may want to. I think say maka ho asem, but kakra meka say with yenuamo EU for no. I'm talking about the e-visas no. Yenim say I was say obian create account with the UKVI. Okay. However, yenuamo EU for no dear. They already have an account into what they will need to do is just to link their card, their biometric cards, to their accounts. So they can have their e-visas, and no na meka actually nyamo EU for say do omo de omo accounts because during the EU settlement era EU settlement scheme era that process, application process, they created their accounts already, but they need to link their biometric cards if they have it to their account. Na ebemo omu e-visas
Okay. Enti na just time na aswerio we are in June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So 6 months. To be and now on your quani ube one time as well. Now for the Utrumi Abidal solicitors. Thank you so much, Abidal. Mepacho Yanko, what you got for us today?
Oh, dear, before yebe kono, yebe tuwa ye show ni suno me that Abidal solicitors ye njuma pa ye dino me da mwedi kakra actually etie for Abidal solicitors for ye juma ko bebre enye immigration law kwa ye juma die efa housing law family law employment law and any other form of benefits ye pension ho juma ye get disability allowance.
I'm not probably from Mr. Will with Abidal solicitor. Do you do that?
We also probate day, but any form of benefits, no na mebo hu the Abidal solicitors for ye chia kwan wo Stratford inti no obia hwehwe ya oba na obo anawko your website na obo yedinya Abidal solicitors ubenya ye ewo ho.
Okay. Yes. Yo. And to watch on you be Abidal solicitors omo ye Abidal de omo de mufia. And now will be the MD MD na so the China men from woman lawyer pay move for Nankasa Abidal solicitors. And now our friend me would dear said jubilate say your friend for good news. Mr. So meda Abidal solicitors for us say Danny Daniel in Kodem D and omo de omo enko for FM. And they need jeba amount na we and everybody is happy because they know that when they come to Abidal solicitors it's timely intervention, excellent results. Lawyer, and as some now can make sure tutorials baby uncle.
Oh, and then ewo wudi man kasa yo abide MD ene wunua ba enkomo aye bedi no ye bedi afa domestic abuse. Yes. I think say mabaha abedi enkomo pen about that topic. But ene de no ye ko emu details said so obi go through domestic abuse ne injina so ne immigration issues muno anything.
Okay.
Anything. Sorry. So because domestic abuse, so people cry baby say domestic abuse no enene den ade.
Yeah.
Eye den say you can't say domestic abuse. Emrani muno say ade a ana suban bia obi danadi achre obi a eye asa suban no eye abusive.
Yeah.
So obi go through domestic abuse ma emrani ma ho kwan say concerning the immigration issues no ubetimi ameki application straight away for BBIFN indefinite leave to remain. Nti ya befa ne say bia oho kani akofa wa bakrom ha na behaviors a maybe church me e bia happen na edru say obe renew on krata no or say onyema and say even was the behavior no happen no akwanya uwo ewo mu wo immigration status no anything because in pain bebre no people go through a lot ewo omu fie mu omawa resemu but because omu suro say ebia oko report ya ana say oka na asem tro obi a nipa na enam ne so mani by say ni kunu say ne yire say ni busuani oba prevent no so obenya ne nkrata ntino eya na mpem bebre nipa bebre keep that pain or the abuse to themselves. But and there be no solicitors here my yete for say nobody should suffer this form of abuse silently. You won't speak it up because emrano protected sa microphone unfortunately go through that situation. And you know me to aso no me go back akokyere mu nia ana subanya yebetimi akase we de abuse and I say bibi say to wa na why a victim to domestic abuse. Subanya yeda na di no make I say subanya obi beda na di towards ne yonko a ebeche say sa suban no abusive no. It shouldn't be say ebia debia or even an act a single actor nipa ne be said da krope na oda sa suban na di kra ye betimi atermine as domestic abuse. Behaviors no na sa nipa no was say omonye connected to each other in a form of there should be a form of connection between those two people. And see either the connection can be in the form of say obia onenity as partners and now obia onenity ba ma promise mo ho say mo be ware nti ye bia boyfriend girlfriend issues and also an fiancé issues and so and now obia more any intimate relationship pain. Though and you say be a young penetration and say bibi saba monya intimacy any form of intimacy pain and no so and the terms no terms no and obi so bia more parents to a particular child. Most there's a connection between you and your relatives. Any form of relative, being it an auntie, offer wo siwa bi wo nua bi wo cousin bi omunina mo ye relative. So if you can prove the connection, say assume say you me relative and so that connection is there. Inti that, as I said, there should be that connection. Inti, these are some of the people that you can have that connections with. And your better type of behavior now, you bet me a terminal and a form of domestic abuse and a type of behavior. You better say behavior with a domestic abuse. You was sexual or physical abuse.
Okay.
And the honor
was
no. Your physical or sexual abuse. Physical abuse is physical assault. Say bony pano. Abuse to the extent say bony pano and pra jenny pana de ma pra. Bibi esa. And sexual abuse name the what I think say
not just said the panel petrol in the crowd was it. One man is driving down on church and operian you but fancy mojo.
AMD.
Yes.
I had. And how did say oh yeah expert. Oh I had. See I said no mean about MD actually sexual abuse is that form yeah be funny sa kwan no so and violent or threatening behavior obi wo ho a on bowo on anasa on casetoras anasa but nensem kan yemu no da bia or threaten or di show mu ebia meye o say o metima twa won say o metima je o say as I say enu nyina threatening bia me do be ko say metima ye o say ehu a o do show metu afia medima wa ko dabon say ni nyina no so ye betima ka say abusive behavior, controlling or coercive behavior. Nipa no show ebia debi wo ho a wo mpe in your own will no onye but nipa no show so say ye ade we to say otimu restricted from even having certain friends otimu restricted from getting access to certain support even or me want say sana mekano or show time I would and would do so. It be even cry regulations of your timing. Would not see who working how it stay so by this time what that even whether obi crumple and you can you believe say obi to me abuse ne partner and now send a relative to the extent that you know obi the crown obi control it. Do you know that?
Ejani we
and say would me ma wundi
me pesa wo twen wo sundodo wo sundodo me ma ma bebre na etwi ka say wo mo yes na men cause ne
and so but I think say and otimi deprive you from getting your independence like obeye obede wo ho no obetimi a prevent so say obenya sa neoma nim and otimu prevent so from getting personal gains ebia medewaba sinafie me ma wonye dwuma ana say uye dwuma or prevent or ma won de wo ho enye neoma ase enka wan kasa fru pemunu obetima that's the controlling and coercive behavior. You want economic abuse, that's the financial one. Obi wa ha in the form of kofa ni busuani biba ena tuye say mami one tuye say ya edru nkrata so amenye ma bosome e wo se wontua say
wonti ntua press wontua
yes obi wo hokra wo ye adwuma na faskani gum account me na metro ni yusu ebi awa wusi kakra no na enfan to say enisa wo to say
tatare
yes
ento we atare ko beto akopra make ya koto ento nye be pro 20 pounds
isan yo mani nyina a form of abuse nipa etimi ekom and ye psychological emotional and any other form of abuse psychological one no as I said, it goes in hands with the threatening behavior. And abuse or her psychologically, no. Otimu can sema affect your emotions.
Yeah.
In ya kasa mu ya baka se bi wa oto ho ye pa ma wo se be ma we ya meniti de na no ye ya anopa wo sori atam nko a na odisia wo ena wa ye say ena wo yo ba
what is say
o sama o kacha wa
practice egu minimum di konti ambe ware
and then the account but it's part of it yes it's
yes some in nkofo kasa for my show into some of the words that they do say no or patches heads no when
Emma will feel less of a woman threatening behavior emotionally now psychologically won't me Emma will feel down in mood or real home I bring you now why mobo ni form
but lawyer it really affect people to be honest.
Yes.
Living with someone no catch us wo koda menu me hu somewhere wo nya fe wo koda send your back
like all this was to be frank
it really affects
people go through all these things but nimu say emrabi wo kwa e protect your mo especially towards their immigration issues no because ebia asuma si na onam ne so a odene ba yenti no sansam we nyina nipa ne catch no omini gudi mu because onim say okoye bibia anase
on TikTok obi a trust a lot of people are going through what you are talking about. So this is what they are saying.
Say, which we've had encountered a lot of them. But I might say for us to say, so be the waba kromha na nyoma way koso and na with them soon. Pe abinal solicitors pay a chia kwan. Na any metina say ni endinkom bia na ekoso no wo feel say entimu enjina but obeka try we will advise you accordingly. And then there's another form of abuse omodia set new emrana omodia ba for victims of domestic abuse. You have be transitional marriage abandonment. No Metremu wa yakasemu say example ni say ebia woni ukunu anase oho kani wa koja oho kani wo abroad say wo UK hey wodi obiaba na because of controlling behavior ni abuse nti what say traveling take yenko di holidays say wo Ghana mo di holidays no wa restricting nipa no say obesanya aba kromu habie
me ma wo mabie wa bana haya na wotina na no aduane no anye de nti me nware
ebi o financially who abuse nipa no any access to financial means obestra no any take it aba try take it mamia o ti twa nti na nipa no akoka Ghana na akokro bia so sa enkrofo ni nyina ba bi omu wo bia no emrane ma ho kwan se ombetimi make application for indefinite straight away. Na omade omo as I said, some of the controlling behavior no it prevents the victim to be independent. Emma won de wo ho but se nipa no ede ne ho a form of kwan a nipa no betimi ade ne ho ne se obenya ne nkata afebo eno no owo akwanya se obetimi aye nioma ebebre. Into this ade ba ko a omu edi abehye emranima ebeboa obi wo hokrampa ne hu kani ne bia o go through the application process bibia you ready nipa ne beba bia nioma ba komienu bi happen nti me ma wo mapiem ene meka kire me kobo mama de so muntwam this is a live evidence minimobia ne kaka ne ye de amano obeka kire se on pese nipa ne beba biem nti ye ntwam but what I say, it does happen, and it's very good, sir. Omode abeshemu. Inti sa nipa no, uwo ho akwanya say, even it's a limited leave to remain crown omode ama because of the events are happening. We can go ahead. Na ya indefinite no straight away. Inti no, oba krom ha, o mama dying sa nipa no biem.
Sa. Okay.
Inti.
But that's it, lawyer Achechemu, which is. A lot of people are going through this financial abuse, sexual abuse, physical abuse, psychological abuse, so many abuse. And yeah, man want to go through that kind of abuse, and men must go through that. I notice that we will now go through that. Lady Anna Mekana say Obama way. Only Obina, only a condition on Jen and Krata, and one to man is on Queen saying, and for 3 years in it, just a girl in why no dealing in I empire, which over can I some Chenam City. Your spiritual things, your physical things. As much as we are praying, you also need to say physical things in the soul way. And not on the second.
Yes.
You're not on the second cutter or say or pet Diane, your baby man, or no great decide, they say, on pet. It is just a way of family. It is a war. Now we go through this form and as this kind of abuse. That is why we've got our solicitors to support you throughout your legal issues. Another lawyer Peggy Church Yemuno. And I mean to be for having our numbers in interview because we are not allowed to put on numbers our TikTok and they have to TikTok. Messrs Yabasha send your next week, you bet me the numbers not to drop. And Timonfa and Cheme. But when you go online, ubetimi enya abina numbers wo TikTok ubenya numbers wo Instagram ubenya numbers wo and I interview.
You know, I'm almost sharing on Facebook. Almost share screen so I think say your number.
Numbers
also. So I'm so betting.
I don't need to join you for Facebook.
Okay. You send your MDA kind. Oh, yeah, Bemo, your banner, baby say, Koswa, Ofra, you bet me a support. MD say we are allowed to take phone calls.
Yeah, we are allowed.
Yes, and yeah, better say for so, obi our question, Biano, obey me afraid on the show.
The secretary for any other form, so questions be a patron, lawyer Peggy, called with Sammy. Mejuma and yet, me lawyer. Me lawyer. Me MD, I am a presenter. It's a chairman lawyer and call MD the same way in cry. Me patcho say you, me patcho. I've been out for and a tear. Pick your phone, call lawyer Peggy. Questions if you wanna, she's going to answer you. So there's time with having out solicitors. Lawyer, into Yanko answer.
Yanko, yes, what's and MD, my deba come in the accounts and they say, a year, with the domestic abuse no victims no it was say relationship no money nipa no one that connection no it was say because of abuse na omo go through no it was say that connection no a break it down due to the abuse omo share sad no into oba obi baka say ebia nipa sumesi no me go through this all right, but me anything.
Yeah.
But until only obitia na interest. Me anything. But interest wouldn't it na relationship no so. Ebia because say yamfa say our refor. Ebia because of the abuse constantly our real no cry is not going on. Obia mutifie back home. But
who say the
or make us although said there article because of the into relationship maybe kwa motive ba mon kasa break it down the form of into a relationship near me can see relationship no it can break down whilst you are still living with them.
Lawyer ni mechi o naka wasem am de udi mechi ya.
Oh MD okay. Ubetimu ni nipa atena fie fine but not relationship no I break it down into
Lawyer mami for calling. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Mama na bibi aboko there.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho to me kan. Me pacho to me kan na. Me pacho me tipo papa. Yeah. Yeah.
Na me mama ye no Ghana. Ana me kuru so ewo. Na me pesa me kofa wo mo ba. Na obetimi aboa me ana.
Me patron, I will find after the show. I bet me aboa. Why?
Me patron, na me pesa me say busa house say omo no me say me ye you ni ntino. Skya aba ya se se wunyai. Oya ne ye eno so me wo mu bia na.
Me patron, you for the demo ni mu bi. But offering we assess your situation. Why? But you for that minimum income requirements no. Why?
Okay, you but any after the show.
Pacho number now be from no.
Me pacho I mean mo mo cross track for.
Okay, Boma di Alfred, why?
Mate.
That's it.
Yes, that's pa.
Okay.
Okay. And I did back so I me person for action as soon as say any say abuse no it shouldn't be and necessary say connected to a particular person. My example is say be wo kani ne befa wo ba no ebia abanoma bi wo montem anasa mo wo akola mo de akola ne kan ho baaye however mo bedru ye no wo kani no say ya wo yiro ana ukunu no or abuse the child involved. It's a form of abuse towards
Obano kraba wo di menu ani amedi gu fie he nyina ensu wo fie he nyina e ko hai electricity da plan
na or tete akola no in a form of way ubetimi agina saa ade no so ede aye this type of application omo frey ebetimi aboa wo sakwa na mechem say yenuamo EU for so I think I've said it before. First, na ya worry your who can no mama ye 5 years now. Na any form of abuse cause one. Na ye ni akwanya be say ye betimi agina so I make your application for settlement straight away. Near na yetimu ye say bia ye be ye bibia a friend retain rights ebia worry no because of abuse and I say because of especially financial abuse into our reno egu what I say na bibi koso near na the way out and I nuama o worry EU muno na omo de ne say omo be gu our reno no omo retain rights I think for another 5 years no. But say no, omudi omunina family members of EU nationals no. Omudi omabe share these victims of domestic abuse emu. Inti no say bibi sa who can anasa wa worry obia ofri EU ni mo na abuse koswa. You don't need to do the retain rights. You can go straight away to make application under the victims of domestic abuse and so.
Like my maybe so question be. Say na me person maybe so. So all this kind of abuse here will can't be brave. For someone to come to you, do they need an evidence to say, sir, this is what my husband does to me, this is what my wife does to me. It's not acceptable to prove me. And I said, me demand no back because who can definitely maybe I'm almost so trying. Maybe could I know your mom when I'm a bit say a bro. And yeah, I want to find out. So, do you need an evidence to? I don't know betting me as a case, and I say I can just come and say whatever I feel I can say.
Okay. MDA make us and make us say Rano enim and I say yeah for much shame or say there are situations that people cannot get evidence.
Okay.
And it only now what they are said anymore.
Okay.
But however no you need to evidence whatever the abuse cause. Now evidence no omachichemu types. Mebo so I think say yemene akọ but mebo kakra so next week no ye be come into details. Ye wo evidence be a friend no na evidence be an ni waiter ekita ebema application no aye strong.
Yeah.
Evidence your friend be
can the lawyer give us an example of evidence? We'll be ready or show evidence.
Okay. And evidence be your friend conclusive evidence.
Okay.
And no me fa say ekita more weight.
Okay.
So what this type of evidence weight na tie a treno.
Yeah.
Especially a bit to say police report.
Okay.
Be a physical abuse and now whatever form of abuse happen, you know. A police for into no come on mama report and I say BB but I know you're conclusive on betting me adjatum criminal conviction there be a true the abuse nipa no crown and then call court and you're convicting court orders court orders say be a seminal a could do say court for Eden abom into no ebia what year some kind of court orders against the person. You have be no molestation orders, occupation orders, such as ebia fear na mo woman no or ma prevent nipa no from occupying certain parts and I say from coming around the property crana these are some orders from the court wunya support here ebeboa and no this are as I said there were conclusive evidence near mabobo sui you betimi atemi
Obisa, can you use doctor's report as an evidence?
Yes, me baho and yeah nioma mabobo you know your friend conclusive as I said ekita weight. There are other type of evidence so enusukita equal weight. Especially doctor's report. That's a report from GP. But no, with the report, they will see say doctor now call report what assess so I will say at some way see if you had an injury, there's injury that were recorded. There are other form of abuse so there is no physical injuries and everything but your with the psychological abuse it has taken you to a state of depression until master says why you're depressed your mood has gone down stress so it's also a good evidence. There were other agencies are almost supporting victims of domestic abuse however no with the guidance no they expect nipa na or take you on the case no have assessed you and now assess the situation no ahunu say bibi say akoso and I social workers report as I said enkola form a part of it ebia assembly see your plan social workers atimabom and also yenya reports from them once they've done their assessment if we get that report and also ebwa as I said because of omunimu say nioma binti no ebi mu go through this form of abuse omu sure say omo be reporting no you will be a personal statement ebi o ha esuro ntino Would they want man ko kan wasem go baby but one person you can give an account of everything that has happened.
Okay.
However, no, it was some reasoning here went to me anchor reported photographic evidence so utimu edika ho inti evidence no en se would the case asemnesi na went me cranko bo obia mania bra just call us and answer bra ya so ye oba ye be church kwanya ye be fasunti obi be kasem na asem yi kwami ni bibia me de be kire sampa asem yaso emma mbu abam fra binel solicitors o fra ya ye kwan bebra ye be kire o afaso a ye be gather the requisite evidence ye de be support u case na ma emu ayetwam
me that's a lawyer
Mr. Medasem maybe
that's it. So this is lawyer Peggy from Abinel Solicitors. Or not Abinel Solicitors. With them, it's timely intervention, excellent results. Come to Abinel Solicitors with all your legal issues, physical, financial, sterilization, every form of abuse. Come to Abinel Solicitors. And they will support you. Mo share your Facebook, mo share your YouTube, mo share your TikTok. Baby, I share you. Madam, we na say, mo do for mo ba mo nua mo bibi madam kwa asante. Me na mu di say dwuma. Nti our next show e baso. Mama nko baby am Tambra live. Anya agrokra. Opese wo ye nhira wo yare. Ne wo fa mu bia. Join the next show. Time with Prophet Ojaba. Into Abinel Namote woman can. Abinel Solicitors on my number, not dear. Need to be more because today we are on TikTok. So go on Facebook, go on YouTube, go on Instagram, go on IFBM lawyer. Bubobi mami. So addressing the meet me about addressing. Addressing your 14 Claypole Road, Stratford, E15 2RJ. Contact Abinel Solicitors for all your legal issues. Now, Omobema Wasri. Thank you. Bye.